and I wanted to show you guys my figs. The last time I showed you, my figs weren't ready. For the past how many days? I think past 5 days I've been harvesting figs. Look at this one. Most of them have been splitting up. I don't know. This is the first time I've had fig fruits. So are they supposed to split or is this? Because I've never had figs before, and I'm telling you, they are so delicious. Especially this one. I got it as the purple fig, but I'm not really sure it's purple fig at all because at this point, this is the highest point it gets ripe, like this color, this hue right here. Look at this one. This is darker shade of green, and this is lighter shade. And I'm telling you, it doesn't get ripe more ripe than this. So I don't know if you've had this kind of variety before. If you had it before, is this supposed to be this way or this is how figs are meant to be? But they're so delicious. I had some yesterday. Look here, and I've been getting really tasty figs from here. They taste like honey soaked in beauty. And I want to show you guys my pomegranate. I had this pomegranate. I showed you guys from the last video my pomegranate. They weren't in bloom, but I had like last week I had a few blooms over here. Here, this is the female flower. That's why it's become a fruit. That's how you know it's going to become a fruit. I'm going to show you the male flowers, like I had said, how to identify male flowers and female flowers. This right here is okay, here you go. This is the male pomegranate flower. Look at the shape of it. Look at the shape of it. So it doesn't get bigger than this. It's actually going to drop. So this is all in my September garden. I am so happy that I did plant some of those flowers because they're so pretty. I'll see you guys in the next video. And shout out to the new subscriber we have on the channel. You guys, please, we need more subscribers to encourage me do more of these videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.